Do you hear me now? Yes.
I'm sure online participants
Also
are
hear.
hearing you. For us, if it's possible, louder. Thank you.
I will try all my best. So, my greetings to all of you. And today I'm a representative of traffic management sector of Kyiv. It's a municipal enterprise, and unfortunately, the director of our organization couldn't be presented, but I will try to explain everything. So today, I'm going to tell you about ensuring the stability of the Kyiv ITS in the condition of rolling emergency and accident power outage. Okay, let me tell a bit about our municipal enterprise. So the main goal is increasing the efficiency of the road and street network functioning in the city of Kyiv. And if we are talking about a bit the quantity, so we provide maintenance for more than 752 traffic light controllers. It means traffic intersections which are connected to our system. Also, you can see in the city of Kyiv about 28 road boards, which informs people about dry accident, about air alert, and all the useful information. The speed bumps in quantity more than 800, and of course, a lot of traffic signs. Everything you see in the network of Kyiv, it's on our maintenance, so an amount more than 80,000. And also we've got our special equipment, rolling stock. If we are talking about ITS, I couldn't mention about our automated traffic control system service. As I told on the previous slide, 752 traffic lights connected to the system, and we can see exactly during the whole day, 24/7, what is going on every intersection in Kyiv. Here it's an interface. You can see we've got 4 different systems, but most of traffic lights are connected to the oldest one, our Ukrainian. But now we are working of replacement, the controls of European manufacturing, and which will help us to improve the ITS more. And if we're talking about our reality, I should tell you about that during the last even more than 2 years of the war, we've got a lot of damages, not only as a residential building, cars, and etc., but also our traffic lights, our controllers, our signs, and of course, we need to do our best and to resolve these issues quickly. That's why we are doing. We are trying to resolve the issues. And because of that, we are starting to install backup power equipment on the intersections, which provides up to 24 hours on operation of controllers during the lack of external power supply. But you can see that now it is in amount 207 per these days. Maybe in 1 week later it's going to be more because we are trying to install it day by day. If you're talking about intersection, it's 260 traffic lights equipped, because depends on the consumptions. So I mean that per one unit you can connect 2 or even 3 intersections, depends of the configuration of it. Here you can see the interface of our system, and also in the small video I can show you that there are 8 color indicator, so we can understand what is going on there. It's only units for backup power equipment. It's not just traffic light. So we understand what's going on there. Is it if intersection is working by this power equipment, or in the normal work? Is it loaded or not, or something has happened? You can see here in indicator. So till the end of the spring, we will install more than 200 units. So it will cover 70% of the intersection in the city, because it's a huge problem right now during the lack of electricity. And that's all. Thank you for your attention. Maybe you have some questions. I'm ready to answer.
Please, any questions? Online, offline? Switch on your microphone. Oh. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you very much for your presentation and for your time.
Thank you too.